Hello. Okay, today I will try the reverse string. So my input is America. So my output should be reverse of America, like A C I R ACIREMA. So let's try. So how we can do it? It's the integer main return 0. So I will try character string. So we'll write America, and I will take the length of the array equal to the size of string divided by the size of string of 0. Next, I will pass reverse string by using the recursive method. I will try first reverse. So I will pass this to this, and I will create one more function, right? Reverse and a character pointer if star pointer is not equal to null. So not equal to null. So why I am writing is like so in string, right, in C programming, string will end up with the null character. So I am checking this pointer is not equal to null. Reverse string plus one, or string pointer. Next, put character star pointer f flash start out. Next, I will debug show error. Well, let's see what is the error. Invalid character string America. Oh, what is this? It's okay. Now it is working. So you can see output America EAM. So it is reversed by string. So let's debug one more time, and I will show the string now. See, last 7 bit is seventh index is 0 actually, or it is like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and seventh one is null character. And one more method I can try now. So I will pass in, and I will remove this one, and I will create an int 10, and I will create a while. I will zoom out while n. Next, put character, no, pointer, then -1. Put character, star, pointer. No, 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 no. F flash stand out. Then minus. Let's run this one. So this is also reverse set. So this two method you can try for reverse string.